Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hot hairstyle ideas. First up is this gorgeous pixie haircut. This one features a dramatic kind of spiky texture going there in the middle. Oh, check out this bob. She does have cotton candy pastel colors, nice waves. So pretty. And then we see this pixie haircut. This one does feature a nice, gorgeous burgundy tone. And then we see a hair transformation. So she did get her ends clipped. Looks like she is going full bob and coloring with this one. Oh, so she got a nice fresh blonde lob. She does also have face framing curtain bangs. So with this transformation, she started off with kind of a bold strawberry, I'd say maybe rose gold color. And she's going to be getting a bob and gorgeous kind of silver toned hair. Actually, it looks like she's going platinum almost, or a very bright blonde coloring. Middle part going down the center. Yeah, I'd say that's a toss-up between a bright blonde and platinum. And then we see this tapered haircut, features curly bangs, curls throughout, and a nice design detailing in the back. This is one of the hottest curly hairstyles at the moment. And then we move into another hair transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. The stylist is like, I'll just leave this right here, setting the hair on the side. Looks like she wanted to go with this brunette classic color. Then we see more of a mohawk style happening for the next one. Very pretty. This has so much body and volume. I love this haircut. It's very edgy. And then we see another transformation. Looks like she's going to be going with a bob. Ooh, very nice. Classic middle part down the center. Waves added, gorgeous. Simple and sophisticated for every day. And then we see a bit of a bolder bob. So the stylist did bleach the hair there, gave her bangs, and she's now rocking the silver look. Oh, she's also getting a bob. Wow. That is a lot of hair. Looks like she's getting some color. Oh, she got money piece highlights. Oh, this is stunning. She got a nice ombre effect going as well. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed checking out these haircuts with me, please be sure to give this one a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.